When I graduated from an undergraduate program in chemical engineering, I really had two options. One was to work in the oil and gas industry, and the other option was to work in the oil and gas industry, because really that's what chemical engineering was. I'm Vikram Yadav, and I'm the director of the Masters of Engineering Leadership in Sustainable Process Engineering. Engineers are a creative bunch of people. They want to enact and effect positive change in the world around them, and really what they need is they need a template that is very different from the traditional setting in most engineering programs around the world. The program, it offers an eclectic mix of courses. These courses range between technical courses that touch upon some of the most cutting-edge developments in chemical engineering and sustainability, as well as a number of courses taught by one of the leading business schools in the world. What we want to see in our students is that we want them to continue to be people who dream big, people who like the spirit of adventure, people who like to take risks, and people who are courageous enough to bring some of these technologies to the market. When they graduate, they are not ideally becoming part of the system, but instead becoming allies from the outside that are guiding these large corporations to try and change the status quo. There will be more collisions between these ideas, and that will also lead to some new business models or new areas of technology that were previously beyond our imagination.